students of standard 9. Today we will solve examples on two theorems. First theorem, the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and second theorem, remote interior angle theorem. The measurement of exterior angle of a triangle is sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. Now first example is the measures of angles of a triangle are in the ratio 5:6:7, then find their measures. Now solution, by using this ratio we have to suppose their measures. So let the measures of the angles of a triangle be 5x, 6x and 7x. Use common multiple x with this ratio, then we will get here measures. Now the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the theorem. Sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now add these three measures. Therefore 5x plus 6x plus 7x equal to 180 degree. 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 18, x equal to 180. Now shift 18 to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to 180 degree upon 18. 18 ones are 18 tens are 180. Therefore x equal to 10 degree. Then find the values of 5x, 6x, 7x by substituting the value of x. 5x is equal to 5 into 10 equal to 50 degree. 6x equal to 6 into 10 equal to 60 degree. 7x is equal to 7 into 10 equal to 70 degree. Therefore the measures of angles of the triangle are 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree. Now second example, observe figure and find the measures of angles PRS and angle RTS. Solution, angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. You see this figure here. Given triangle is PQR and here is angle PRS, which is exterior angle of triangle PQR. Then by theorem of remote interior angles, and theorem is the measure of exterior angle is the sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. Angle R is exterior. Its remote interior angles are angle PQR and angle QPR. So angle PRS is equal to angle Q plus angle P. It is here. Angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. But measurement of angle Q is 40 degree. So right here 40 degree plus angle P. Its measurement is 30 plus 30. Now 40 plus 30 is 70 degree. So first answer is angle PRS is equal to 70 degree. Now second answer we have to find measurement of angle RTS. Now see this triangle RTS. Triangle RTS is RTS. In this triangle, sum of the measures of all three angles is 180. Therefore, angle TRS plus angle RTS plus angle TSR equal to 180 degree. Reason, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. Then we have to substitute values now. Angle PRS is 70 degree. PRS and TRS is same. So measurement of TRS is 70. So right here 70 plus angle RTS plus angle TSR. Angle TSR is given here 20. So plus 20 degree. Then next step, therefore angle RTS plus 70 plus 20 is 90 equal to 180 degree. Then shift this 90 to that side. Therefore RTS is equal to, we can write here direct answer also, but first you solve it. After shifting 90 it becomes minus 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. So this answer is 90 degree. Now your today's homework is solve these examples in Maths 2 notebook.